Hello! In this video I will show you how to hard reset your phone to recovery mode on VIVO Y28. So you have to start by powering off your phone. And now once your phone is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And now go to recovery mode using volume buttons and then press power button to select your choice. Now from this menu select clear data and then click on clear all data. And now click OK. And now click on return. And now you can go back and click on restart to go back to your Android system. And now, as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.